Welcome to Automotive World, where we bring the future of driving into your present. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a legend reborn, the 2025 Ford Mustang Boss 429. Strap in, gearheads. The muscle car that left an indelible tread mark on the hearts of enthusiasts is back. The 2025 Ford Mustang Boss 429 roars into the modern era, and it's not just a revival, it's a revolution. The under the hood lies a beast waiting to be unleashed. Gone are the days of the original motorsport-derived 7.0-liter V8. Today, the Boss 429 pulses with a fuel-injected 8.4-liter V8 engine, delivering a ground-shaking 815 horsepower. It's not just power, it's a statement. Every curve and line on the Boss 429 is a nod to its heritage, yet it speaks the language of tomorrow. With a wide-body kit that accentuates its muscular stance and vintage alloy wheels that blend classic style with modern performance, this Mustang isn't just turning heads, it's spinning them. The experience slip inside, and you'll find yourself in a cockpit that respects the past but lives in the now. Modernized with kicker audio speakers, TMI seats, and a custom console, the Boss 429 offers an experience that's both raw and refined. And with factory Boss 429,200 mph gauges, you're always in command. The Boss 429 isn't just a car, it's a legacy on wheels. It's a tribute to the power and glory of American muscle, reimagined for the modern Maverick. With each example meticulously built over 4 months, owning one is like holding history in your hands. The 2025 Ford Mustang Boss 429 is more than a car. It's a testament to the relentless spirit of innovation. It's where the past and future collide, creating something timeless. Thanks for joining us at Automotive World, where we live, breathe, and dream cars. Until next time, keep your passion for driving alive. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive adventures. Hit that bell icon so you won't miss our next ride into the world of cars. See you on the road.